I don't know if you've seen any of the horror movies, but in any horror movie, they always escape the cage and they start terrorizing.
Start terrorizing your house. Okay, so now I know. Not only humans are terrorists, pets also are terrorists. Okay.
100%, 100%.
100%. Oh my goodness. Okay, so how about taking care of exotic animals? You agree or disagree?
Yeah, I think it's okay if you like exotic animals as long as it is not an endangered animals.
Mm-hmm.
So and as long as you know how to take care of them.
Mm-hmm. How about personal opinion? Like, how about you? If I'm gonna give you
Uh,
a lizard or a Komodo dragon, are you gonna accept it?
no.
So, more on disagree.